Hello class. In our last session, we discussed about amorphous forms of carbon, and we came to know that what are the different forms of amorphous form of carbon: charcoal, lamp black, gas carbon, coke, and coal. And out of this, we discussed about charcoal, how it is formed. And after that, we have also mentioned that the types of charcoal that we have. So we have got three types of charcoal: wood charcoal, bone charcoal, and sugar charcoal. We'll study one by one about this type of charcoal. So first charcoal is wood charcoal. Wood charcoal is obtained by the destructive distillation of wood. Last time we came to know about the definition of destructive distillation. So the process of the breakdown of organic substances such as coal and wood on heating them strongly in the absence of air is known as destructive distillation. So wood charcoal is obtained by the destructive distillation of wood. And this in last class where I've explained this diagram how the charcoal is generated. So the gases formed during this process are carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide methane CH4, and hydrogen. Now this mixture of gases is combustible, that means they can easily burn, and is known as wood gas. So they are called as wood gas, a mixture of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, and hydrogen. Wood charcoal can be produced in the laboratory by heating wood savings in the absence of air. Now we'll know about what are the physical properties of wood charcoal. So this diagram shows the lumps of wood charcoal, which we can find at our home as well as in the market. Physical properties of wood charcoal. Number 1. Wood charcoal is grey-black in color, porous and brittle. So they are grey-black in color. They are porous, that means they can absorb water, we can say. And brittle, that means they can be easily broken down. Number 2. It floats on water because of its porosity. 3. It is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. And number 4. It absorbs or attracts to its surface gases, liquid and solid. So coal has got that property which have got the power to attract on its surface. So it can attract gases, liquid and solid. So there is a term called adsorbs and there is a term called absorbs. They are completely different. Absorbs means the whole portion of the substance will be weighted by the liquid, you can say. Whereas adsorb means only the surface or the outer side of the substance will be covered, or we can say weighted. So this property of attracting gases, liquids or solid to its surface by a solid is called adsorption. So this process is called as adsorption. Next, uses of wood charcoal. Wood charcoal is a better fuel than wood because it burns better and causes less air pollution. It is used to make gunpowder, that is used in guns and as blasting agent in mining. It is used as a decolorizing agent as it adsorbs colored materials. So it is used as a decolorizing agent. That means decolorizing agent means to remove the color from the substance. For example, it is used for decolorizing sugar solution, alcohol and petroleum products. Next, it is used in deodorants as it adsorbs foul smelling gases. So since it has got the power of adsorption, it can absorb foul smelling gases. Wood charcoal is used in gas mask for the removal of toxic compounds from the air. And it is also used in water filters to absorb dissolved or suspended substances and unpleasant odor from the water. So it is also used to filter water since it can absorb impurities and unpleasant odor from the water. Next term we need to know about is activated charcoal. What is activated charcoal? If wood charcoal is heated at around 900 degrees Celsius in a limited supply of air, activated charcoal is formed. Activated charcoal is used as a catalyst to facilitate certain chemical reactions. You know that hydrogen reacts with chlorine very slowly, but hydrogen readily combines with chlorine, adsorbs on activated charcoal in dark conditions as well. Activated charcoal is also used to separate a mixture of noble gases such as mixture of helium, argon, neon, and krypton. Activated charcoal adjusts different gases at different temperatures. So these are the functions of activated charcoal. Next, now assignment for today. So the assignment number 5. Question number 1 is, what is a wood gas? Question number 2, write 3 physical properties of wood charcoal. Question number 3, define adsorption. Question number 4, what is activated charcoal? And question number 5, write few uses of wood charcoal. Complete this assignment and send it in the mail.